So 3 years ago, I made this video and it got over 8,000 views. I'm honestly I'm just amazed. That's certainly something people should talk about though. I'm just kidding. Well, today I'll show you how to make a monitor in Blender, gaming monitor, in basically under 2 minutes. All you gotta do, delete those three, add a cube, and now scale it to your liking. You can choose the size. All right. Once you do that, you can press Ctrl R to add a loop cut, so you can make this design a bit better, like this one. And now what you want to do for the stand, you're gonna do this, insert another 2 loop cuts, and you need another 2 vertical, and now you need 2 horizontal. All you gotta do is press E to extrude it just a little bit, and then you can make another loop cut right here. Select this face and extrude it to your liking, maybe something like this. Cool. So I'm gonna make the same thing as I did 3 years ago with an icosphere, which I really like it as a stand for our monitor. It looks pretty cool to me, honestly. So let's put it like this. Maybe let's just center it a bit more and scale it. Not scale it, just move it up. Right, so it looks like this. And one cool thing that I'll show you right now is that basically you can insert your picture, your monitor screenshot into this, and it's pretty easy. So all you gotta do, you need to apply the new materials. I'm gonna put it all black because all monitors are basically black. And yeah, once you do that, you're gonna go here to edit mode, press tab for it, and then make a new material, and here insert the image texture. Now I haven't done it, like I haven't print screened or downloaded any picture, so let me just do it quickly and then I'll be back. Right, I'm back.
Bazinga!
So all I did was basically I took a screenshot of my monitor, inserted the picture in Microsoft Word, and then I saved it into my folder. So here is the monitor pic, and of course I gotta edit it now. Maybe let's put it like this, and U for project from view, and we're gonna select our picture just like this one and scale it a little bit on this axis. So yeah, we pretty much made our own monitor here. Of course the resolution is a bit bad, but still we got our monitor. It looks pretty cool to me, honestly. And yeah, that would be it, guys, for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I'm sorry it's maybe a little longer video than I actually expected, but yeah, the truth is I couldn't film another isometric building time-lapse because I didn't have time today, but tomorrow surely I will upload it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to just smash those 200 down. We're so close, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.